All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's phonics. Sh, sh, shop, sh, shop. Machine, ch, not machine, 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 machine. And sugar, not sugar, is sugar. Here we are, sugar. Yeah, how cool is that? Sugar. Very good, very good, very good. And initial, initial, the start of something, initial. Not initial, initial. Initial. So rather than saying Adrian Nanchev, say A Nanchev or Adrian N. How cool is that? Yeah. Initial. And special. Not special, special, special. Special. Yes, special. Special. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Special. Wow. Yeah. So, shop, machine, sugar, initial, special. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.